Looking for the best synthetic motor oils in 2026? In this video, we break down the top-performing engine oils designed to boost performance, extend engine life, and improve fuel efficiency. Whether you drive daily or demand high performance, choosing the right oil matters. We compare features, benefits, and value to help you make the best choice. Stay tuned to find the perfect synthetic motor oil for your vehicle. Number 3. The Valvoline MaxLife High Mileage 5W-30 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil 5 quart is specifically designed for vehicles with 75,000 miles or more, making it an excellent choice for aging engines that need extra care and protection. With a formula tailored to extend engine life, it helps maintain performance even as your vehicle racks up mileage. One of its standout features is the inclusion of seal conditioners, which work to prevent oil leaks and reduce oil consumption, two common issues in high-mileage engines. This makes it especially valuable for older vehicles that may begin to show signs of wear over time. Additionally, the oil delivers 20% better wear protection and 15% better sludge defense than industry standards, helping to keep engine components clean and running smoothly. The advanced additive package also includes extra detergents and friction-reducing agents, which protect against corrosion, minimize internal deposits, and improve overall engine efficiency. Whether you're driving daily or taking longer trips, this oil helps ensure consistent and reliable performance. Users frequently praise its ability to keep engines running strong well beyond 200,000 miles, with some reporting exceptionally clean engine internals even after years of use. It's also compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including newer or rebuilt engines. Meeting key standards like API-SP and ILSAC GF7A, Valvoline MaxLife is a dependable, cost-effective solution for maintaining high-mileage vehicles and extending their lifespan. Number 2. The Castrol GTX Full Synthetic 0W-20 Motor Oil 5 quarts is a reliable and high-performing choice for drivers who want strong engine protection and smooth, everyday performance. Designed to meet the demands of modern engines, this oil delivers a solid balance of durability, cleanliness, and efficiency. One of its biggest advantages is its advanced wear protection, offering up to 6x better protection on critical engine parts compared to industry standards. This helps reduce friction and extend engine life, especially under heavy loads or stop-and-go driving. It also provides 1.3x better sludge protection, keeping your engine cleaner over time by preventing harmful buildup. Castrol's formula is also 3x stronger against viscosity breakdown, meaning it maintains its protective properties even under high temperatures and extended use. This makes it a dependable option for both short daily commutes and longer drives. With protection for up to 10,000 miles between oil changes, it offers convenience and long-term value for drivers who want fewer maintenance intervals. Users often report smoother engine performance, quieter operation, and improved cold start reliability after switching to this oil. The 5-quart container is practical and easy to use, making oil changes simple whether you're doing it yourself or topping off between services. Meeting key standards like API-SP and ILSAC GF6, Castrol GTX Full Synthetic 0W-20 is a trusted option that delivers consistent protection, performance, and peace of mind for your vehicle. Number 1. The Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W-20 is a top-tier choice for drivers looking to maximize engine performance, efficiency, and long-term reliability. Designed with low-viscosity technology, this oil helps improve fuel economy while still providing strong protection for modern engines. One of its key strengths is Mobil 1's triple action formula, which focuses on performance, protection, and cleanliness. It works to reduce friction, prevent wear, and keep critical engine components running smoothly. The oil also controls oxidation, helping it resist breakdown over time and maintain stable viscosity even under demanding conditions. This full synthetic oil is built for durability, offering protection for up to 10,000 miles between oil changes under normal driving conditions. It meets ILSAC GF6 standards, which means it provides added protection against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, and timing chain were important for today's smaller, turbocharged engines. Users consistently highlight its reliability and long-lasting performance. Many appreciate that it requires fewer oil changes compared to conventional oils, making it both convenient and cost-effective over time. It's especially suitable for drivers who want consistent protection whether they drive daily or only occasionally. Packaged in a 5-quart bottle, it's easy to handle and pour, making DIY oil changes simple. Overall, Mobile 10W20 delivers excellent engine protection, efficiency, and cleanliness, making it a smart investment for maintaining your vehicle's health and performance. That wraps up our review of the best synthetic motor oils in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and car care tips. Have a favorite motor oil or experience to share? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and keep your engine running smooth and strong.